What's up, homie? This is Macy. If you are looking for some eye-catching sign, you come to the right place. Today, let me introduce one of our eye-catching signs to you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tip for growing our business. Let's go. See what's on my hand. This is our infinity mirror LED letter. It can be used both indoor and outdoor. Made of environmentally friendly materials with high transparency. Multiple choice for color with waterproof seal. It is of our various styles. Can you imagine what style we can make? Actually, we can not only give what you need, but also create efforts you cannot imagine before. As a professional sign manufacturer, we have accumulated many successful cases. Whether it is for outdoor or indoor use, whether it is LED sign or neon sign, we can meet your needs. With LCSIGN, you can not only get a good sign, but also can save more money. What separates us from others? It is the standard we persist. We have 14 years of experiences. Customers choose us just for a simple reason: our quality, commitment, and innovation. This is LCSIGN, helps you to be your best business partner in China.